Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today we are going to fix this, the letterbox which has broken. So let's get to it. Okay, so what we see is there's a screw down here. Okay, so it just came off. Okay, so it seems that the wood that's over here has rotted, so that's why the screw doesn't fix to it anymore. So what I'm gonna do now is remove this if possible without breaking the glass. Yeah, that's totally possible. Okay, so we'll clean up the silicone that's on here, and we'll remove these two screws with a screwdriver. That was easy to take out. This just broke apart. Okay, so we got the frame done. Now we need to stick the glass back. So earlier I said I'll clean it, but I'm just gonna do it 6:30 job here because it's not so important. Nobody sees it. Okay, so as you can see, it's all using silicone glue, but apparently I don't have silicone glue at home and I don't feel like wasting money for such a small job, so I'm gonna use some high temperature rate RTV silicone gasket maker. But the problem with this is that I've only used it once, and well, I did close it properly, but it's sort of dried up and I can't seem to get the thing to flow out. So this is gonna be the last time I'm gonna use it because I know there's still silicone inside and it is good here. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to cut this portion off and just squeeze it out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lay it on the glass here, and then I'm just gonna stick it up. Okay, I did not expect it to look like this. Well, what can I do? It's done, so I'm just gonna clip it on, and then we'll wait for it to dry, then we'll clean this up. Okay, so this is done and has already been, I think, a week already from the time I was recording the video till now. So as you can see, maybe it's a bit messy in the sense that the silicone it's on the outside and it's red color, but see, it's not falling and it's working very well. It fits, so it was a simple fix of replacing the wood on the inside here, and I've actually put in new screws that is not rusted. Okay, all in all, this took me about say half an hour, and I didn't have to waste any money to purchase anything new here. Just some scrap wood everything's working fine. Okay, so simple DIY. Didn't cost much. I didn't even have to take out any of my heavy machineries to cut the wood. I just used a normal saw that was meant for metal, but I use it to saw the wood. Well, it works, right? Okay, so as usual, if you like this video, hit this. If you dislike it, you can always hit this, but leave us a comment down below on how to improve further, alright? And if you have not done so, make sure you hit the subscribe, like and bell button so you get notified on our future uploads. So till next time, I will see you again.